Hey, so I'm about to pick my daughter up from school early. She has a doctor's appointment, and then we need to do some grocery shopping. So I figured instead of just having her text me constantly what she wants, that I might as well just bring her with me and we'll just get some grocery shopping done. So I'm gonna take you with us. It's like a little PSA for drivers out there. If you are that scared to drive that when I'm behind you I have to ride my brake the entire time and waste my gas, as expensive as gas is right now, please stay the hell home and do not drive. Okay, yes, I get it, you know, driving is scary, whatever, but you chose to drive, so at least go the speed limit. Going under the speed limit doesn't make you a saint, doesn't make it the drive any safer, but like, please just drive your car and do not let me waste my gas riding behind you because the speed limit is 40 and you want to do 25. Okay, you will still get a ticket for going too fucking slow. Okay, and if you have no place to be, baby, move out the way so me and other people that need to go places can get to where we need to go and don't need to raise our blood pressure trying to get there because we have an asshole like you in front of us. Okay, thank you, have a good day. Mother loaded all me. I got some burger buns, I got some everything, sourdough bread, some regular sourdough bread, some Macintosh apples, strawberries, asparagus, carrots, little peppers, corn on the cob, blueberries, cotton candy grapes, got some Salisbury steak, got 4 things of the seafood boil, some lemonade, soda. We even had the Coke Zero, some hash browns, frozen veggies. I got some fabric softener, some Odo Sun. They have frozen cotton candy grapes. Got 3 of those because I am sugar. Ziploc bags, some mozzarella cheese, some root beer, some chips. I want to try this pasta kit. Some egg noodles. I found this like Alfredo chicken pasta dinner. I got 2 of those. Some 2 Prolac sodas, orange cream, and like a berry one. Fried pickle and ranch dip to go with this. Artichoke hearts, some pickles, some olives with blue cheese, some sazon, 2 seasonings, Korean barbecue and brown sugar, some big peppers, no mixed up peppers, some tomatoes, some sliced cheese, mild cheddar, some cold cuts, and yeah. Aldi really came in for the win this time. Hey guys, it is currently Friday. Yesterday we did the grocery shopping and stuff, so it was Thursday. I'm about to make some dinner really quickly because we have leftovers, but I don't feel like having that, and I think it's time to throw that out. Anyway, so we're gonna make some chicken Alfredo pasta. It's from that Rana brand that I've spoken about before that I like. Italian like pasta brand. So it's just pretty much you just cook everything in one pot. So we're gonna make that, and then I'm gonna finish editing my video for Sunday, and then that's pretty much gonna be it for the night. I'm not sure what I'm doing this weekend. Sunday is Mother's Day, so you'll probably see this video after Mother's Day already passed. I don't know what anybody has planned for me, so I guess I'll just take you along for the rest of the weekend. But I probably won't do too much anyway, vlog or anything, so I probably might just continue this vlog into the following week, just so I can relax and enjoy the weekend and stuff. But yeah, to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day. You guys are doing amazing. I know it's hard, but like, we got this, right? So let's make dinner. It's Mother's Day, and we're about to make some tiramisu with this tiramisu kit. Just had some breakfast. Happy's making for Mother's Day dinner some seafood boil. We got some oatmeal and ribeye steak. Cheers.